Hello everybody. So it's time for a little pampering. Yes, I just had my shower. I'm getting ready to actually do a detox. So I ordered some detox pads and I have used them in the past. I'm going to show you what they look like. They come neatly packaged. And this is the tape that you're going to attach them to the bottom of your foot with. And under the tape, you're going to put this pad, and this is what detoxes your body as you sleep. So, I'm going to open this up. Well, I guess it's very well sealed. Okay, there we go. Take it out. And then you get this, and it's sticky under there, and it has a tape here so that you can hold it by in the meantime until you're ready to put it on. You just remove this. That's the sticky. And then you attach this right center. You could actually almost follow that line where you're holding it at and just put it right there center. And you want to make sure that your feet are clean. Brush off any little particles that may have gathered while you were getting to this point, because you want that to be nice, stick very well when you get on there. So now you're going to remove the tape that you hold it with. I will just set that aside. And then the stuff is in there. Usually tap it just a little bit to make sure it evens out a little bit more. And yeah, and then you just simply, I would start at the middle, right at the sole of your feet, and then bring this out, press this on all the way up to the side. So this is what you have, and you'll know which way to put it on because the printed side is the outside and the bag side goes to the bottom of your feet. And then to top it off, you go ahead and you put a sock on over to keep it in place while you sleep. Yeah, see, it's coming off a little bit, but I think that's because I started to put lotion on my skin. Probably should have removed it before I started this, but put it on, put your sock on, and you go to sleep. And then in the morning, I will continue this video and let you all see. I'll put the other pad on the other foot, and I'll continue this video and let you see what it looks like in the morning. All right, until tomorrow. Bye. So, good morning, everyone. Okay, this is it's the next morning, and I'm about to remove the detox pads. And I just want to say that sometimes it's kind of gross looking, but it's just fact. It's just what the detox does to you. And so let's just take a look. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, like healthy tips, I guess you might call them. Things that you can do to detox your body or to take care of your skin, etc. I'll be doing more videos like this, so there'll be more categories for those who are not into the other categories that I do. So it is Rochelle Vanderpool, clothes, accessories, and more. So this is a part of the more. So now, without further ado, let's get to this. So I'm going to remove the socks. And then I'm going to remove the pad. And this is what it looks like. It's still a little, has a moisture, but yeah, that's what you get. And you can see the bottom of my feet, and I'll have to wipe that off. And then I'll go to the shower and finish those off. You're probably not going to see this one as well, but I'll just remove the sock and remove the pad. And yeah, you got more junk to remove than that. So this isn't just a one-time project. You actually, this comes in like a pack of 10. So you go do for this for 5 days in a row to detox your body. And then once I'm complete with that, I will go ahead and have my pedicure. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to detox because toxins are not fun in your body. Thank you.